What's up, Melanin Gang, and welcome to my channel, to my new viewers. In this video, as you can tell by the title and as you can see here, I will be working with this hair and creating a wig out of it. This hair was from a friend of mine. She wanted me to, create something, create a wig out of it. All of the deets on this hair and, what she purchased and what she got will be in the description box in case you like how this hair looks throughout this video. She has some extra hair that came with these 3 bundles. I must say, yeah, it looks like 3 bundles in a closure. But the hair that she have left over, it doesn't look like the hair that was installed in her head. I'm not sure why. Maybe she added some heat to it. I don't know. But this is how it looks after the wash. I think this is after the wash. Yeah, after I washed it and revamped it. And this is the closure. I bleached the knots. I kind of leaked through, but that's okay. But I definitely slayed it. So if y'all want to see how this install came about, then just keep on watching.
Why you always hit up my phone when I'm trying to get in the zone? I have priorities. Won't you work with me? You may have trust issues, but I wouldn't do no harm to you. You know I'm worth waiting for while I'm out on tour. Tell me right now, are you still down? Are you still down? Are you still down? Are you still down? How long can you wait for me? I need to know.
Okay, so as you can see, I kind of like fast forwarded it because I really couldn't sew with the camera on, like battery was getting low and all that. But y'all, let me tell y'all, so this is like my first time actually committing to like a full sewing, like no joke. I have a video, I had a video up on me attempting to do a sew-in with the closure last year, but I deleted it. But y'all, I stopped sewing and I sewed the closure and I just started gluing the tracks. Like, I did not have time. So I'm proud of myself. Like, this stitching, the construction, like all of that is popping. Like, you see how happy I am. So yeah, I just didn't want to show the process because it was a lot, but I found my rhythm in all that, y'all. And as y'all, I'm just showing y'all the construction. I didn't sew the tracks to the closure because in case she wanted to swap out the closure or the closure gets ruined, she could easily unstitch it and get a new closure sewn onto it. So that's that, and y'all might as well like this video, thumbs it up, and keep watching.
Why you always hit up my phone when I'm trying to get in the zone? I have priorities. Won't you work with me? You may have trust issues.
Okay, just to let y'all know, this is what I was using when I was installing the weave and sewing it in, and this is the serum I'm about to use for the next step. I just wanted to let y'all know that I was using the water and the heat protectant as I was sewing the hair in and detangling it at the same time.
Are you still down? How long can you wait for me? I need to know that you won't go while I'm out on the road and I don't call enough. It's only for now. This won't be forever, but I always hit up my phone when I'm trying to get in the zone. I have priorities. Won't you work with me? You may have trust issues, but I wouldn't do no harm to you. You know I'm worth waiting for while I'm out on tour. Tell me right now, are you still down? Are you still down? Are you still down? Are you still down? How long can you wait for me? I need to know that you won't.
Okay, so now I'm going into plucking this closure. I did but didn't show you guys that I have a little technique where I clip off the ends of the closure, like on the side rim where there's like extra lace to where you can like sew over it when you connect the wefts to the closure. I cut those ends off to give them more of a realistic / like frontal type of look when it comes to laying down the closure and making it flat when you put it on your head. But I really just came here to let y'all know, just a PSA reminder, I am not a hairstylist. I'm not certified. I don't have no type of license. So everything I'm doing here is what I've learned and what I've seen from other stylists or from other people who are really good at it on YouTube. I'm just, practicing and learning as I go. So all the negative comments, or if you see something that I did wrong, like don't, just don't. It's all good vibes here. So here I'm plucking the closure. I do have experience with plucking, but not so much, but I do it a lot with my units. So what you see here is something that has helped me along the way.
Tell me right now, are you still down? Are you still down? Are you still down? Are you still down? How long can you wait for me? I need to know that you won't go while I'm out on the road and I don't call enough. It's only for now. This won't be forever, but I think that we will. If you tell me right now, are you still down? I need to know. Are you still down? Tell me, are you still down? Are you still down?
Okay, so after that first stroke, I realized that I will not be getting this silky bone straight look that I was really gonna transform this look into. And as you can see, like yourself, like it's really not giving me silky straight vibes. It's not. So I decided to revert the hair back and go back to its original texture and just roll with it that way. So you guys are just gonna see that I use some water, of course, and I also use this Curls leave-in moisture serum or spray or something. It's the Curls Lavish Curls Moisturizer. It's the second curl refresher daily leave-in. Now the curls, it has aloe leaf juice in it and jojoba oil here. But yeah, it's definitely a go for my natural hair. Like my curls be popping, so I knew that this was something that I could use to also quickly revert the hair back. So So far so good. I'm gonna fill y'all in on all of this customization. So I didn't show y'all of me sewing the hair, but you will get the tea on how I customized and styled her. So if you like what you see so far, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't, and click the like button and comment down below what you like about this hair.
Why you always hit up my phone when I'm trying to get in the zone? I have priorities, won't you work with me? You may have trust issues, but I wouldn't do no harm to you. You know I'm worth waiting for while I'm out on tour. Tell me right now, are you still down? Are you still down? Are you still down? Are you still down? How long can you wait for me? I need to know that you won't go while I'm out on the road and I don't call enough. It's only for now. This won't be forever, but I think that we will. If you tell me right now, are you still down? I need to know. Are you still down? Tell me, are you still? Are you still down? Are you still down?
Okay, so this is the band that I will be using to sew on the unit for this glueless install. I did measure my friend's nape from ear to ear with this band, so it should definitely give her a for sure fit, I hope. But yes, I just wanted to show y'all the band and how it looks. I'm telling y'all that this is where I'll be sewing it, but I'm not, because I did from ear to ear, so I will be doing it lower than that.
Run that back, turbo.
Synchro.
always hit up my phone when I'm trying to get in the zone. I have priorities. Won't you work with me? You may have trust issues, but I wouldn't do no harm to you. You know I'm worth waiting for while I'm out on tour. Tell me right now, are you still down? Are you still down? Are you still down? Are you still down? How long can you wait for me? I need to know that you won't go while I'm out on the road and I don't call enough. It's only for now. It's only forever, but I think that we will. If you tell me right now, I need to know. Are you still down? Tell me, are you still? Are you still down? Are you still down?
Okay, and that's it for the rest of this video. Thank you guys so much for sticking it out through the rest of the video. You is a real one. This is the end results, y'all. I'm so proud of myself, and as you can see, it passed the Glueless unit test. Yes, it did, and I'm super proud of myself. More of these videos to come. If you like more, then make sure you subscribe and click that notifications bell button to join the gang. And I'll see y'all in my next one.